Hello beautiful people, so today I've got a lovely package from Laves. I've opened it, sorry. I couldn't wait, but I've not opened the product, so what's inside, so I'm excited to see what's inside. So this is from Laves Skincare. There we go. So what have I got here? So I've got a sleeping pack. Ooh, I love sleeping pads and sleeping masks. And I've also got a Grow to Your Hair's Extreme Performance Oil Serum. Lovely. So they've got, I can notice they've got that lovely packaging of so basically it's like these things that come in boxes, and so they come like this, and these actually dissolve in water, which is great because I love companies who really take consideration when they're making their lines with your products and they're taking the environment into consideration. So this is amazing. It's good to see that, and I can just see a lot more companies doing that. So well done, Laves. So I've got a sleeping pack here. It's a lovely wooden packaging. I love that, and it's glass, which is also amazing and really great for the environment. Okay, so it's an extreme performance vitaminized AE/B3 and Q10 night mask. Q10 is amazing for you. Q10 night mask. So basically this is a hydration. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh. So it's very like, that's it there. Sleeping pack. So this is a hydration mask. So basically you don't wash this off, you put it on. So maybe after your moisturizer you put it on and you go to bed, so you're gonna wake up feeling hydrated, relaxed. So but name a better duo, man. Name a better duo than sleeping and staying hydrated. You know, hydrated is what I wish for you guys. It's like, I mean for me, but for you guys too. You needed to be hydrated and sleep. So I love sleep because I'm a lazy bag, so shit. It's just at night, just apply it to clean face and neck and gently massage using circular movements. Leave over. And this is the Grow Your Hair's Extreme Performance Oil Serum. This is obviously for your hair, not for your face, guys. Just, you know, some of y'all. So what it does is increases circulation to the scalp, so encourages hair growth, decreasing stress, the related hair loss, and calming dry age of scalp. You know what's funny, actually, a lot of people don't know that stress can actually lead to hair loss, so that's the thing. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, it's a lovely, lovely packaging. So this is the yellow. It's very aesthetic, and I love the wooden packaging. So did you see the other one had wooden packaging as well? So I love the wooden packaging here, and it's gorgeous, and it's a dropper. I love droppers for my serums or for anything. So let's see what this looks like, and boom.